Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover a point of 4 C's of diamond. 4 C's. Diamond have a 4 C's. First C is the clarity. Second C is the color. Third C, it's a cut. And fourth C, it's a carat. So many people have a question, how should I buy the diamond and what should I do for that? So here is your answer. So we are going to discuss today about the 4 C's. So first C stand for clarity. So today we will cover a point of clarity, and in my next videos I am going to cover rest 3 C's. So friends, let's start with the first C, clarity. So clarity starts from FL. So diamond clarity starts from FL. FL means flawless. FL have a two part, FL and IF. Flawless, internally flawless. IF means internally flawless. So many people have these kind of questions, that what is the difference between FL and IF? Difference is this: diamond have a two part, inclusion and blemishes. FL don't have an inclusion, don't have a blemishes. But IF, yes, IF have a blemishes, not the inclusion. FL and IF, both the clarity don't have an inclusion, but IF have a blemishes. So this is the first clarity of the diamond, FL and IF. Second clarity comes is VVS. VVS stands for very slight inclusion. Very slight. VVS, very slight. VVS also have a two parts, VVS1 and VVS2. So difference between VVS1 and VVS2, the same like VVS1, it's a better than the VVS2. VVS1 have a flaws from bottom side, which you cannot see from upper side from the table. And VVS2 includes feather, you can see by the microscope, not from the 10x magnification. You have to use a microscope or else the 20x or 14x magnification glass. Then only you can see a VVS1 or VVS2. This is the difference between VVS1 and VVS2. Now next clarity is VS, and VS stands for very slight. VVS stands for very slight and VS stands for very slight. As like VVS, VS also have a two parts, VS1 and VS2. So these two clarity in VS. The difference between VS1 and VS2, VS1 is better than VS2, but weaker than VVS2. If you want to understand the VS1, VS2, you have to use a 14x eyeglass, 14x magnification glass, or under the microscope. Here also in 10x magnification, easily you cannot rectify the VS1 or VS2. But in 14x magnification glass and in microscope, you can easily rectify these things. So this is about the VS, VS1, VS2. Now we will move to our next clarity. It's SI. SI stands for slight inclusion. So as I said, SI stands for slight inclusion. SI also have a two part like a VVS, VS, FL. SI have a two parts, SI1 and SI2. These are two clarity. And this slight inclusion you can see from the 10x magnification glass. You cannot see these inclusions from the naked eye in the diamond. If you see, go in the shop and if you see the jewelry, you cannot rectify this diamond is SI, VVS, VS. You cannot rectify this diamond. You have to use a magnification glass like a 10x magnification, 14x magnification, 20x magnification, or the microscope. Then only you can understand these things. For that you have to get a diamond knowledge. So as we discussed about the SI1 and SI2, now we will move our next clarity. It's I. It's an inclusion. Full of inclusions in this kind of clarity. You can see from the 10x eyeglass. If you have a diamond knowledge, you can see from the naked eye also. But in small diamonds, you cannot see from naked eye. You have to use a 10x magnification or else 14x magnification. Then only you can see the eye clarity. Eye also have a parts, but in eye there are three parts. As you see, Rest other clarity have a two parts, but in I there are three parts because the I clarity stands for the inclusion. So first I1, second is I2, and third is I3. So these are the three parts in I. So whenever you go to the shop, if you see the certificate, you can see I1, I2, I3, SI1, SI2, VS1, VS2, VVS1, VVS2, FL, IF. FL is a expensive diamond, top clarity of the diamond. So it's very expensive. So as I'm saying you, it's I is the inclusion. I1 have the less inclusion than the I2. I2 have the less inclusion than the I3, and I3 have the more inclusion than I1 and I2. So these inclusions you can see from the 10x or 14x magnification glass. So guys, these are the clarity definition which I have given you, and this definition about the first C of the diamond. Rest 3C is balance, that I will tell you in my next video. So please watch my all videos so that you can get an idea about the 4 C's. And to get my all videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.